Hi everyone. In this video we are going to see drop and drop duplicates. So let's look at our data set. So this is our data set where we have these 5 columns and we have some duplicates also here. So let's first look into the drop. So drop is specifically used to drop a column. So if I will say df.drop, I just have to give a column name. So let's give a column name city and let's save it in a new data frame, and we'll do display df1. See, now we don't have city column here, so we use drop to drop a column. So if we have to remove a column, complete column, we use drop method here. So this is how we can remove a single column or drop a single column. And if we want to drop multiple columns at once, it is easy. We just have to provide a list of columns. So if I will say salary comma city, and if I will do display df1, okay, so we cannot provide list here. Okay, actually we can. So let's try another way. Just provide the column names. Yeah, this will work. So we just have to write the column names by giving comma rather than providing a list. So now the salary and city column is dropped from our original data frame. Now this is how we can use drop to drop a single column or multiple columns. Now let's talk about drop duplicates. Let's display the data frame once again. Now in this data frame we have a couple of duplicates. If we will see, there is an employee ID column. We have 103 employee ID. Here also we have 103 Mike IT 75,000 Bangalore. So in order to remove duplicates, we'll use drop duplicates. So if I will say df2 is equal to df dot drop duplicates, and if I will say display df2, so earlier we had 14 rows, now we have 12. So here we had 103, 103, the identical one. Now it is dropped. 103 we have only one time. So what does the drop duplicates do? So if we use drop duplicates, it removes the rows or a complete record which is repeated or similar. So what it is checking, okay, this is a row, and similarly this row is also having the identical record. So it is checking all the record, not based on any particular column. It is checking all the columns, or it is checking complete record. If it is duplicate, then it is removing that record or dropping that record from the data frame. So this is a one way of using drop duplicates. And if we want to specify a column, so let's see. So we can provide a subset of columns if we want to drop the records or column based on any particular columns. So we can use subset. Even if we just scroll down, we have an example here. We can provide the multiple columns here directly. So let's just provide a list of columns. So if I want to drop the duplicates with respect to the employee ID column, so I will say employee ID, and if I also wanted to look into employee name column, I can give the employee name column also. So now what will happen? It will check employee ID and employee name column, and based on that two columns, if the records are repeated, it will remove that records. And in the same way, we can provide multiple columns also. So this is how we can use drop duplicates to remove identical records or same records or duplicate records from a data frame. And if we can also use it with respect to any particular columns, it will check that if that column values is duplicated, then it will remove the record itself. Thanks for watching.